In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Drive restricted PDF. Before we jump in, here's the honest truth. If a PDF in Google Drive is set to view only, you can't directly download it without the owner's permission. That restriction is there on purpose, and Google enforces it to protect the file. When download, print, and copy are disabled, you're given viewing access only, not full file access. So what actually works? The best and most reliable route is to request access. Open the file link, click the Request Access button, and add a short, polite note explaining why you need the file. Then wait for the owner to approve. Once they allow it, you'll see the download button appear in the viewer. You can use the download icon in the top bar or choose the download option from the viewer menu. This keeps everything clean, traceable, and compliant with the owner's settings. Another quick fix is to ask the owner to enable downloads. Ask them to open the share settings for the file and toggle on the option that lets viewers download, print, and copy. Many owners don't realize they've turned this off, and switching it back on takes only a moment. If they're concerned, they can always enable it temporarily so you can grab the file and then turn it off again. If you can view the PDF but there's no download button, you still have a couple of allowed workarounds. First, try printing to PDF. Open the PDF in your browser, press Ctrl+P, and choose Save as PDF in the destination. Make sure the preview shows all pages you need, then save. This only works if printing hasn't been disabled by the owner. If you see a message that printing is blocked or the dialog won't open, this method won't be available. As a last resort, you can manually save what you're allowed to see. Scroll through every page, capture screenshots, or copy the text and images you need. It's slower and less elegant, but when the owner has restricted other options, this may be the only permitted approach. Always respect copyright and usage terms, and avoid any third-party tools or sites that claim to bypass protections. Those are risky and often violate policies. To recap, your safest path is to request access or ask the owner to enable downloads, then fall back to printing to PDF if allowed, or manual capture when necessary. Follow these steps and you'll handle restricted PDFs the right way.